Now we're going to learn a very powerful function called groupby. And once again, we're going to use the student data set to help us understand the key concepts. So you'll need to run this code and upload students pickle and summarized orders pickle. And then for the second part, we're also going to upload orders 7 pickle. Remember that orders 7 is a very big file, takes 35 seconds to load, will take time to load from your source and also to upload into Google Colab. So let's take a look at DF students. So this is very similar to what we saw before. We have students, we have a year, home state, age, and then there's scores on the Calc 100 final and 101 final. Okay, so if we want to find the average age of students in each academic year, so here's the year and here's the age. If you want to group, say, all of the students that are in year 1, what is their age, average age? All the students that are in year 2, what is their average age? Here's how we can do it. We group by year, okay, and then we take the mean of the age, okay? So we run that, and let's take a look at it. So in year 2, the average is 20, so let's see if that's correct. So here's year 2, and here, 21 and 19, the average is 20. So a very powerful command, group by. In just one line of code, we can answer this question. What is the average age of students in each academic year? If we want to convert into a data frame, there's this little trick where you can just reset index, and so now you have a data frame and can do all sorts of things with it. Okay, I encourage you to do this exercise to find the average of the Calc 101 final and the average of English 101. Now you can also do it on multiple columns. So if we want to find the average age by year and home state, we take year and home state, and we take age and mean. So let's run that, and let's see if that's correct. So let's look at first year Florida. First year Florida, that's these two, 17 and 18. The average is 17.5. Let's see if we got that right. So the average is 17.5. Okay, and then I encourage you to do this 5-minute exercise. Calc 1 final by year and date, English 101 final by year and date. And then if we want to create a data frame from that, we just do the reset index trick. Okay, and then finally, if we want to plot the results, it's really easy to do, okay? We just take this original result that we have, which is we were grouping by year, so we have the average age in year 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then we pass it to plot. We give it a bar chart, okay? So the average age in year 1 is 17 and a half, 20, etc. Okay, so that is how it looks like to use group by on this simple data set.